Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Sestri and to our partner event. We are very happy to have you here today and to welcome also some of our best international partners. This is also an opportunity to uplift and change gears because there is clearly an excellent market opportunity that we want to exploit, and I'm sure all together we can do a very nice job.
Abbiamo lavorato moltissimo in questi 2 anni e mezzo nel strutturare un'organizzazione di supporto ai partner efficace e efficiente.
We try to be supportive and to fix ideas, to structure processes.
The pre-sale part and the training part is something that somehow allows us to provide to our partner information and everything that they need coming from sedApta. We also manage the product management part. sedApta is basing its evolution on the feedbacks that it can get from the market.
Abbiamo ovviamente al nostro interno particolari know-how, conoscenze, esperienze nell'implementazione di verticali che spaziano dalla moda al fashion, al food and beverage, all'industria dell'automotive e altre.
I'm the only woman on the stage and I'm also the technical guy. Our challenge is to use all the experts we have and create one common suite out of the many that we have.
Customer support service is the team of sedApta supporting partners. We are the team that ensures that all your requests are addressed in the correct way, at the correct time, to the correct persons.
We are working in the manufacturing IT world where you have to combine solution with IT. And this is why we have all of these people, all of this function in our company. To engage a customer is just the first starting point, but then you have to have the right technical guys to support the sales cycle. And when you implement the project, you have to have the right technical skill in order to do the right implementation.
La sfida che Engineering da qualche anno ha intrapreso e che è in corso è ovviamente quella di una forte caratterizzazione a livello internazionale. Creare sostanzialmente una logica d'offerta integrata, quello che noi abbiamo chiamato il digital thread, cioè questo filo che dalla iniziale progettazione di un prodotto o di un servizio arrivi poi addirittura alla gestione del post vendita. Insieme stiamo forgiando, stiamo costruendo questi sistemi 4.0. Devo dire che il supporto e il contributo, diciamo, delle soluzioni e della professionalità di sedApta ci ha dato una grossa mano in questa fase di evoluzione.
We want to introduce scheduling solution provided by sedApta to our customers, to our market. The normal approach is you develop a medicine, produce it and sell it, and everyone can buy it and use it. This is a totally different approach. Here the companies are producing one single dose for one single patient, and here it became clear that scheduling is a huge part of that. This gives us the reason of the collaboration. So this is just the combination of sedApta's, let's say, cross-industrial experience in planning and scheduling together with our pharma market experience.
One of the facts why Verum selected sedApta, it's not only the manufacturing. You're talking as well about order entry processes, direct order integration from the customer side or from the dealer side. And there, we either integrate to an ERP system, or on the other side, we as sedApta, we can offer our experience with all of our S&OP solutions, which start from demand planning, inventory, and as well as, let's say, the master planning with expert plan. And this is why we can offer together in this partnership an integrated way from, let's say, the customer integration down to the shop floor management and to the order management in the Verum solution. Thank you.
We are working with almost every planning vendor in the world. So why I decided to add another one in the portfolio? To be honest with you, is that I think that sedApta is not another one. You know, boundaries are blurring between digital and physical. Everyone is talking about manufacturing 4.0. So we should shift from, let's say, the traditional methodologies to a different methodology in an environment where we don't know what is the point B. The approach also in doing business should be different. So this is something that is very crucial when you have to explain to companies that they can work with you with a roadmap and not just with a solution, with a process and not just with a tool.
We consider ourselves to be a company for worldwide consulting, project realization, and our expectation to ourselves is to be the trendsetter in digitalization within the liquid food and beverage industry. What is our concept? What is our idea? We consider the smart factory, as we call it, as a part of the digitalized supply chain. There are machines, there are systems, given systems, and there are people. And only if we manage to have these three collaborate effectively together, then we can make sure that we achieve a high OEE, a high product quality, and also a high process quality. We are definitely working with sedApta on fine scheduling, on demand planning, on different projects already successfully implemented.
The main topic for a company is to evolve, to maintain its leadership position inside the market. We have chosen to be partner of sedApta as Nextea because we think that this kind of solutions are very vertical and they need consultancy approach. The way in which we can grow together is to use the best-in-class competencies that you can have inside your industry to work together and to give to our customer the best solution.
This training will start January the 7th. It will be 2 months of full deep dive immersion here in Sestri Levante. The guys will have morning lessons delivered by Genoa University and deep afternoon and evening training to be acknowledged about all the technologies that are part of Industry 4.0.
What we are going to do is deeply blurred, deeply hybrid, deeply interdisciplinary.
The idea is to find and prepare this youngster to become operators, industrial operators, with respect to all the technologies we saw this morning and this afternoon.
So the idea is that the class is very heterogeneous and that by assigning a task to groups of these heterogeneous guys, we can come up with solutions that come out of an interaction of different people in a team spirit.
If we have young, committed guys with the international environment, with Germans, with French, with Italians working together, this will be a success. Because in 2 months, we want to transform beginners into experts that come back to our company, to your companies, and really support you.
So the possibility to be specialized in one vertical, one solution, in one geographical area also will allow us to be more concrete in not only inviting historical customer and doing some upselling or cross-selling of solution, but also to create new leads.